At or about 5:45 this morning, the police gathered that a SUV Benz motor car was traveling along the Nelson Mandela Highway, headed in a westerly direction towards Spanish Town. When on reaching the vicinity, just past the overhead bridge, what appeared to happen is that a truck was parked on the left side of the road on the hard shoulder, and the vehicle, that is the said SUV Benz motor car, collided with the right rear section of it. As a result of that, the vehicle spun and overturned and made connection with another motor car that was traveling in the same direction. Unfortunately, a lady that was traveling in the Benz motor car suffered serious injury and died as a result of the crash. There were no other serious injuries. We gather that the vehicles had just passed a speed check point at 6 miles. Investigation is being carried out to ascertain properly whether or not there was a manner of driving that amounts to driving and causing death by dangerous driving or manslaughter.